The world of fashion is full of innovation and change. And the new online Fashion Business Essentials course from Parsons and featuring WWD was specifically designed to set you up for success in this dynamic business. Expert faculty from Parsons will teach you the business side of the fashion industry.
Starting your own business in fashion is a desire that people around the globe share more than ever. So we're going to look at some of the key concepts that actually allow you to do that.
With modules covering topics like entrepreneurship, strategic planning, ethical sourcing and manufacturing, production, branding, e-commerce, and more. And industry experts from leading brands like Highsnobiety, Christian Dior, Kate Spade, and more will provide real-world insight and advice.
I think you need to adapt a really work-hard ethic. You're going to put your idea out there and someone's going to tell you it's not good. You can't let that stop you. You have to keep trying.
In my 8 years of working in the industry, it has changed dramatically. So the more that you're willing to learn from other people, the better off you'll be and the more successful you'll be.
Engaging video-based course lessons cover critical areas of fashion business, and hands-on activities and assignments help you develop the skills you need to succeed. This course is 100% online and on demand, so you can take it at your own pace wherever you're located. Whether you're looking to advance your career in the fashion industry or launch your own fashion-related business, Fashion Business Essentials will give you the knowledge and credentials you need to stand out from the crowd.